Hey TikTok enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to spill the beans on how you can make a million on TikTok. Are you ready? Let's get started. Tip 1. Find your niche. Discover what makes you unique and create content around it. Whether it's comedy, dance, or cooking, focus on your passion and showcase your talent. Tip 2. Engage your audience. Interact with your followers. Reply to comments and duet with other creators. Building a loyal community is essential for your TikTok success. Tip 3. Stay consistent. Regularly post high-quality content that aligns with your niche. Consistency helps you stay on your followers' radar and boosts your chances of going viral. Tip 4. Ride the hashtag wave. Keep an eye on trending hashtags and challenges by participating in popular trends. You can increase your chances of reaching a wider audience. Tip 5. Tell a story. Captivate your viewers with engaging storytelling techniques. Make them laugh, cry, or feel inspired. The power of storytelling can make your content unforgettable. Tip 6. Collaborate with others. Team up with fellow TikTokers. Create duets or participate in collaboration challenges. Collaborations expose you to new audiences and can lead to viral success. Tip 7. Include a call to action. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. A simple call to action can significantly boost your engagement and reach. Remember, making a million on TikTok takes time, dedication, and creativity, so keep honing your skills, experiment with different formats, and most importantly, have fun along the way. That's a wrap. Let's create amazing content and make that million. See you on the FYP.